So, Saratoga Springs, 1-bedroom villa room tour. So you come in, this lovely open hallway, a nice mirror. Then you come into the main room. So you've got a nice dining room table. You've got a full kitchen, massive fridge, freezer. You've got a big oven, dishwasher, Rigby party, 5th sleeper in here. Then you've got the Murphy bed down there. We've got a balcony. It's very hot out there, I'm not going to show you. Then we walk round this way. And because it's a 1-bedroom villa, you have a washer and a dryer. You then come into the main bedroom. Massive bed. You have to take a run and jump to get on there. Look at the artwork, it's lovely. Nice windows, big TV, lots of storage. You then go into a sort of Jack and Jill-ish bathroom. Massive bath. A sink. You've got a walk-in closet. Wardrobe type place. You've got your safe. Some hangers. Ironing board. Vacuum. Extra pillows and blankets. You then come back round into the main bathroom, shall we say, which has got a massive shower, rainfall and a normal head. You've got your generic Disney body washes and shampoo. I like the fact that the controller is here so you don't have to get wet putting the shower on. You've got another sink with a mirror. We've just been on a very long travel day. And then you've got in another compartment, in another room, you've got the toilet. And then back through this way into the main area. Yeah. Everything's so well thought of, it's so nice.